In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly hide the price on your WooCommerce products. Whether you're running a special emotion, want customers to contact you first, or simply aren't ready to reveal pricing, this method works perfectly. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Appearance. Then select Customize. This opens the WordPress customizer where you can adjust your site's design with a live preview. Inside the customizer, scroll down and click on Additional CSS. This is where we'll add a small CSS snippet that hides all product prices across your WooCommerce store. Now paste your CSS code here. Once the code is added, you will immediately see the prices disappear in the live preview on the right. Take a moment to check your product pages to make sure everything looks exactly how you want. When you're satisfied, simply hit Publish at the top of the panel to save the changes. And that's it. The prices on your WooCommerce products are now hidden from your visitors. This is a simple and effective way to clean up product pages, build curiosity, or create a quote-only shopping experience. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out our channel for more WooCommerce tutorials.